How am I supposed to work with this now? It's freaking ice everywhere. Like it's 0 and raining now. Ice trucking in Norway. I can't even turn. Oh my god, it's going sideways. Woohoo! How am I supposed to park now? Full brakes. No. This is a crazy thing. Oh my god. Fuck. Let's check. Woo! This is insane. Outside is 0. It's like clean ice. Absolutely clean ice. Yeah, this will be very interesting tonight. Brake check on ice road. Oh, not so bad. Oh my god. It's not possible even to drive here. Let's take a turn. Okay, okay. Not bad. Let's take another one. And the last one. Woohoo! So I have to go there in the middle. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Everything is in clean ice. It's hell. Oh, it's possible to drive here. Clean ice, absolutely everywhere. Oh, sorry. It's crazy weather tonight, absolutely crazy. Raining, 0 outside. For a truck driver, it's just a nightmare. Oops, sorry. Almost fly down. Yeah, but it's... I wish truckers good luck tonight.